We're here in Burnsville with Alfanos, and we're just finishing up a nice new patio for them. They had a kind of an old patio that's been here for a number of years, and between settling and age, that patio was ready to be replaced. So Joel contacted us back in, when was it, April? February, April, and we did a front yard project for them. Some small garden beds in the back, and moved into kind of phase 2 back here in the backyard. So we appreciate your business, and we're happy to be here. So I just have a few questions for you. First one is, how did you feel before, and why did you call us to get the project done?
Yeah, so I can start with the why do we call you guys. So as Tyler mentioned, we had you guys come and do the front, and just had a great experience with getting the front done. So we have honestly contacted several yardscaping companies, and a lot of them have come out and taken down some notes, and then you never hear from them again. Some we've gotten a few quotes, and they're astronomical just because they see the scope of work and don't want to do it. So the communication from you guys has been awesome. So before the project, we were excited to work with you again. As I mentioned, with just the communication aspect, we knew it'd be a good experience.
Great. Were you skeptical to work with us when you first reached out? If so, what were the hesitations?
Yeah, so for the first project, I would say a little bit, but you kind of calmed us through the process. So again, we had talked to other landscaping companies and not had great experiences. You guys, we saw your Google reviews. You had great reviews. So that's the main reason we reached out to you in the first place. And then just the continual communication throughout the process, so that we knew, okay, this is what we want. You understand our vision. Jaden here went through and actually, showed us maps or drawings of, hey, this is how your front can look. And so all of that kind of let us know that we're going in the right direction.
Yeah, fantastic. So just in closing, the entire experience, I think you described it fairly well. Would you recommend us to your family or friends?
Absolutely. We've done a lot of internal work, external work on our house. The best thing you can get with a contractor is somebody that communicates, tells you what's going on, gives you accurate timelines, and you have been on top of that. And I'll mention the other thing is, you guys have been awesome. If something isn't right, you guys have made sure that we're happy with the end product, and that goes a long way from the customer side.
Awesome. Thanks,
okay.
man. Really appreciate your business.
Yeah, thank you.